Hello, assalamualikum, sasriyakaal, kemcho, mahjama, kasakai, marhaba. Welcome to Danish's kitchen vlog. As you can see, Christmas is just around the corner, 14 days left. And I'm sure a lot of you guys must be thinking, what our Christmas dinner going to be looking like? So if you celebrate Christmas this season, we will be showing you different type of recipes, and I'm guarantee you will enjoy it. Especially today, we've made fajita stuffed chicken Christmas tree. Let's look at the ingredients and see how to make stuffed chicken fajita Christmas tree. First, we're going to be cutting the onions into small pieces, just like that. Pepper as well. The garlic as well into small pieces. So let's add oil in the pan. I'm going to add all the onions and the peppers in there in one go. Add the chicken in there. Mix. Add 1 tablespoon pepper. 1 tablespoon salt, and I'm going to add the Nandos Smokey Peri. I'm going to add some pasta sauce. Added chili powder as well, 1 tablespoon chili powder. It's all cooked. Now we will make the stuffing for the chicken fajita. So we'll cut it in half, put it like that, put a little bit of flour, so add the stuffing in there, add flour around the edges. So as you can see them, it's all nice and ready to be baked. So let's bake them now. Now we'll get skewers and we're gonna literally just top of it like that. That. Basically, I made it like a Christmas tree. Spread the green pesto on top of it. So as you can see there, what we're going to do, we're going to do the rest and we will show you after once it's done. So I hope you enjoyed this video and this recipe, so do try it out, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel, as there's going to be more Christmas recipes coming your way. And my question is from you guys, what would you like to see on your Christmas dinner next? Or if you don't celebrate Christmas anyways, what Christmas recipe would you like me to make next? So leave a comment down below and I will read your comment. We will decide on the next video what to do. So all I'm going to say for now is take care and